everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am going to give you guys a heads up. I have a bad cold with a bad cough, so I'm going to be taking breaks to drink my chocolate milk, and my voice is just really raspy. I'm sorry. My son gave me what he has, and I always end up being sick on the holidays. But I went to CVS this morning. I actually went there pretty fast. Usually I kind of lollygag, but with no inserts, you know, this weekend, it kind of helped me a little bit because I could figure out my haul ahead of time. So I have two cards. A lot of you guys know that because I like to show you guys two different scenarios on certain deals. So I'm going to give you guys a heads up on that. But what I ended up getting is this Venus razor. Now this was $9.99 on sale. I had a $3 off coupon that we got from the April P&G. Plus I had a $5 off any Venus razor CRT. So I paid $1.99 for this, but then you guys will get $2 back in an ECB. So I got this absolutely free. This is one razor and then two cartridges. So I thought that was a pretty good deal, and I love it when I can get razors. That's one thing I don't get to stock up on as much as I used to is razors. So I wanted to do that. I ended up doing this deal. Now when I was thinking about it, I'm like, what's a better deal? But anyways, these were $12.49 at my store. I used two $4 off coupons that were on coupons.com that are no longer available. I also had a 3 off of 12 any shave CRT. So I paid $13.98 for these. But then you guys will get $10 back when you buy two. Comes out to be just $3.98 or just $2 a piece. And I don't know, some of you guys like getting razors for free. Some of you guys like paying things. I mean, $2 for razors I think is a pretty decent deal. I mean, free is better, but you know, can't complain for $2. So, had to share with you guys with that deal. I did the Suave deal with both of my cards. And the reason why I did this is because those coupons were expiring today. So I ended up getting the Suave Gold. Now these were two for $6. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon that we got in our inserts from a couple weeks ago. Plus there is a $2 off instant coupon that is printing off. So you guys would get these for $1 or just 50 cents a piece, which is a pretty decent deal. Suave, I say never pay less than $1 or never pay more than $1 for Suave. So I wanted to share with you guys with that deal. And then with my other card, I ended up getting hairspray because you can use other stuff besides just the shampoo and conditioner. So I ended up getting these with the same deal. So I wanted to share with you guys on that deal. The next deal I did is a Suave towel deal, or Suave towel. These are $1.99 a piece. Now I had a CRT for $2 off of 2, so I ended up doing that. So you guys would get these for both $1.98. So it comes out to be 99 cents a piece. I know some people who love this stuff. I've never really used it, but it is a fabric softener, so I thought wanted to share with you guys on that in case you guys have some CRTs that you wanted to burn. Sorry, my cat's like right where I'm putting my stuff. And it's like I can't stop petting her softness. Her softness. Right, Paris? Yes. Okay. Okay, so now the next thing I went crazy over is mouthwash and toothpaste. Now I was just sitting on the floor and the cashier's like, "Are you doing okay?" I says, "Yeah, I'm doing fine. I'm just doing my math because like I was trying to figure out scenarios because I got some really good CRTs today." So I was like trying to figure out some scenarios. So what I ended up having is I had a 2 off of 6 mouthwash that I got from last week. So I was planning on using that, and then I got a bunch of Colgate CRTs. So what I ended up doing is I did the Crest deal. These were $2.99. There is a digital coupon off for one of them So, because I was going to do the toothpaste or toothbrush and mouthwash, but I decided to do this deal because of my CRT that I had. So these were $2.99. I used one digital coupon, plus I had the 2 off of 6 mouthwash. So you guys will pay $2.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $3 back ECB, making these absolutely free, or like a 2-cent moneymaker. So I wanted to show you with you guys on that deal. So that is kind of fun. And now I'm going to go crazy with the other stuff. Okay, so with my other card, sorry, with my other card, I ended up also doing the same deal with the mouthwash, but with the Colgate instead. So these were each $5.29. I used two $2 off coupons that we had from our inserts from last week for the Colgate, plus plus I had that 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT. So I ended up doing this deal, and so you guys would pay $4.58 for the both of these, but then you guys will get $5 back, making it a 42-cent moneymaker. So you get these absolutely free, and you make some money off of it. So I wanted to share with you guys on that in case you want to get some mouthwash. But then with my other card, with my second card, I ended up doing this deal, which comes out to be an even better deal if you guys have the coupons for it. So what I ended up doing is getting 2 more of the Colgate mouthwashes. This deal is a limited 2 per card. So that was one card. This is a different card. So what I ended up doing is I got 2 of these for $5.29. I used two $2 off coupons from last week's inserts, and then I ended up getting the Colgate Total toothpaste. These were $3.59. I used 3 $2 off coupons that from last week's inserts for this. I had a 3 off of 15 Colgate mouthwash, toothpaste, or toothbrushes CRT, and then I had a 1 off of 3 toothpaste Colgate CRT, which I combined those together. So with all 5 of these, I ended up paying $7.35 for all 5 of these, which is still a pretty good deal. But then you get 5, since it's a limited 2 and it's spend 10, you get 5. I got 2 $5 off ECBs, making it $10. So I got $10 back. So this ends up becoming a $2.65 moneymaker. I got all 5 of these for free, plus I made $2.65, which I think is a pretty good deal. So try to figure out if you guys got those CRTs, but I think that is a pretty good deal if you still have those coupons. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that deal. But yeah, that was my total. I didn't get very much at Walgreens or at CVS, but I think I did pretty good, especially with the mouthwash toothpaste deal. Yeah, okay, sorry, I had to cough again. But yeah, my total came to $2.86 for everything. I mean, that's how much I paid for out of my pocket. It was $2.86 after ECBs, which I think is awesome. One thing I like to do is split up some of my stuff so I don't pay so much out of pocket. So if you guys are a beginner, you know, just do a little bit at a time and get what you need. A lot of these deals I get just to share with you guys. I may or may not like the product, but I do it to share with you guys because, you know, different people like different things. But I ended up using $32 worth of ECBs, but I did receive $30 back. So my grand total technically came to $4.86. I got 18 items. That's 27 cents a piece. I think that's pretty good deal. I mean, $5 literally for all that stuff I think is a pretty good deal. But yes, and I also want to give you a heads up, if you guys do the Suave deal, make sure you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards so I can so you guys can get points for it. Benjamin, you almost knocked my milk over. Okay, you can have that one in a little bit. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys enjoyed my CVS haul. It wasn't much, but hey, I still wanted to give this video a
Thumbs up for subscribers.
Thumbs up for subscribers. But yeah, I wanted to share with you guys on some stuff. So, hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys all next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.